If you've ever hit record and immediately blanked, or if you find yourself doing 5, 6 or even 10 takes just to get one clean line, well then you're not alone. Talking to a camera is weird at first, and trying to remember everything you want to say while sounding natural, that's tough even for the pros. But there's one tool that makes this so much easier, and in this video I'm going to show you the simplest way to talk confidently on camera without sounding scripted, even if you're just getting started. G'day friends, let me tell you about my first YouTube video. I had the script in my head, the camera rolling and was ready to go, but 5 seconds in I just went completely blank. I forgot half of what I wanted to say, then I tried notes. I even had a script printed and stuck to my tripod in large font so I could read it line for line in front of the camera. I just kept messing up takes and sounding like a nervous idiot. Honestly, it wasn't good. And if you're just starting your YouTube journey, there's one tool that would have made a massive difference to me back then, and that's a teleprompter. If you don't know me already, I'm Brett. I've been running a photography business for almost 10 years now, and along the way I've learned a ton about shooting, storytelling, and working behind and in front of the camera. These days I create videos to help photographers, content creators, and beginners like you build confidence and be creative as possible. And believe me from experience, if you're filming yourself on camera, a teleprompter is going to be one of your best friends. Well, besides me, of course. And let's be honest, content creation is already a challenge. You're trying to film, remember your lines, keep eye contact with the camera, sound natural all at once. And if you're like me, you probably thought, I'll just wing it. But that only gets you so far. First, let me explain what a teleprompter is. A teleprompter lets you load your script onto your phone and scrolls the text right in front of your camera lens. That means you can speak directly into the lens and stay focused on the script. No more glancing off to the side, no more looking at notes, no more losing your train of thought. And just a side note, if you're enjoying this content so far and you're just beginning your creative journey, you should consider signing up for my free email list where I share tips and tricks for photography and drone stuff that you won't find in any of my videos. Anyway, let's get back to it. Now, teleprompters are surprisingly simple to set up. You just attach this ring to your camera lens and it comes with many sizes to fit multiple lenses. You slide the teleprompter over the ring, place your phone inside to display your script, and you're ready to roll. This particular teleprompter is called a Desview T3, and it comes with a free app to load your script on your phone. It even comes with a remote so you can control everything like starting and stopping and going backwards without touching your setup, like this. The beauty of this particular teleprompter is that it's only $98, which is perfect when you first start out because, let's face it, you don't have any money. I didn't. I suppose you don't either. And if you're new to filming yourself and you want to talk on camera, this is one of the best tools you can have. It helps you stay focused so you can stay in the moment and not have to worry about all other things that are happening around you. Your delivery sounds confident and clear and you won't waste hours on retakes. I remember the first time I actually used this teleprompter, it was a few years ago. I was filming a tutorial. I'd already tried to record it twice, but this time I nailed it in a single take. My delivery felt smooth, but it wasn't perfect, but my eyes were on the lens and I didn't have to memorize anything. It was a huge relief. After a while I got a bit more practice and it became easier and easier over time. Just a quick tip for you guys, when you're writing a script, make sure you write it in your own voice, because if you just copy and paste an article off the internet and read it, it won't sound authentic and won't sound like you. So make sure you rewrite it in your own voice, especially if you're doing YouTube videos like this one, solo vlogs or online courses or even virtual presentations. A teleprompter helps you stay polished without feeling scripted. It's especially great for anyone who feels a little camera shy or tends to ramble on a lot like I do. And honestly, I wish I'd picked one up when I was just getting started. It would have saved me hours of retakes and a lot of stress. So if you're filming yourself and you want to sound natural while staying on track, you should really give a teleprompter a shot. It might be the simplest upgrade that makes the biggest difference. Just keep in mind, once you start using a teleprompter, you'll never go back to doing videos the other way ever again, because this is so much easier. But it's not all smooth sailing, because it does create a small issue, which this video right here will fix. I'll see you over there. Thank you.